Could your digital wallet, the one holding your hard-earned money, actually be a ticking time bomb? In an increasingly digital world, the convenience of online payments and mobile wallets is undeniable. But with that convenience often comes a lurking question: just how safe is it? Today, we're diving deep into one specific platform that's been gaining traction: Beam Wallet. Is it a fortress for your funds, or are there hidden vulnerabilities you need to know about? Let's start by understanding what Beam Wallet aims to be. It positions itself as a secure and efficient digital wallet, emphasizing not just the protection of your money but also the potential for financial growth through features like cashback and continuous earnings. They market themselves as a smart investment in your financial health, promising peace of mind. This sounds great on the surface, but how do they deliver on these lofty promises, especially when it comes to security? Beam Wallet employs several layers of security to safeguard user assets. A key aspect is its use of near-field communication (NFC) technology for contactless payments, which is generally considered secure for in-person transactions. More fundamentally, the app integrates advanced security measures like biometric authentication, think fingerprints or Face ID, and end-to-end encryption. This means that your personal and financial information is scrambled and protected from unauthorized access as it travels between your device and their servers. They also highlight constant fraud monitoring, which is crucial for detecting and preventing suspicious activities in real time. Beyond these common security practices, Beam Wallet is built on the Beam blockchain, a privacy-focused network that utilizes unique protocols like Mimblewimble and LatentSMW. These protocols are designed to ensure confidential transactions by not storing transaction history or wallet addresses on the public ledger. Instead, this information is kept locally on users' devices, granting them greater privacy control and allowing for selective sharing of personal details. This emphasis on privacy, by its very nature, contributes to security by making it harder for external parties to track or link transactions to specific individuals. In essence, less data exposed means less data to compromise. However, no system is entirely invulnerable, and it's important to acknowledge potential concerns. In 2019, Beam did report an internal discovery of a wallet vulnerability that could have allowed an attacker to create a modified transaction and cause the wallet to send funds to the attacker. Crucially, they stated that this issue was discovered internally and fixed the same day, with updated versions deployed. This demonstrates a proactive approach to identifying and rectifying security flaws, which is a positive sign. Nonetheless, it serves as a reminder that vigilance is always necessary, and keeping your app updated to the latest version is paramount. User reviews sometimes mention issues like difficulty linking certain cards or slow customer service, which, while not direct security vulnerabilities, can impact the overall user experience and trust if issues arise. So, is Beam Wallet actually safe? Based on the security measures they describe, their commitment to privacy through blockchain technology, and their past response to vulnerabilities, it appears they prioritize user security. The combination of strong encryption, biometric authentication, fraud monitoring, and the inherent privacy features of their underlying blockchain technology paints a picture of a robust system. However, ultimate safety also hinges on user responsibility. This includes using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, being wary of phishing attempts, and keeping your app updated. Treat your digital wallet like you would your physical one, with care and vigilance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.